Hello viewers, today we are gonna discuss about types of CSS. There are three types of CSS. The first one is inline CSS, the second one is internal CSS, and the third one is external CSS. So let's start our lecture. Now the first one is inline CSS. For inline CSS, we will create some of the heading and paragraph tag for demonstration. I will write h1 heading tag, and inside the h1 heading tag I will write something as my web, and we will create some of the paragraph tag. First paragraph tag, and I will create some sample text which will be just like lorem, and I will create some of other tags such as h3 heading tag, and I will write lorem, enter. And now I will create some of the big and small tag. I will write suppose small tag. Inside the small tag I will write lorem also. And now I will click to go live, and our web will be automatically been opened. Now you can see that our web page is live now. Now we will gonna save this, and now for our inline CSS we will write style attribute. As written on your screen, we will write an style attribute in the front of our element, such as heading tag, paragraph tag, or maybe in the front of our opening heading tags, body tag, paragraph tag, and up to your own. So I will write in the body, I will write style. This is our inline CSS, so we are going to write style in the front of our opening tags. I will write style. Inside the style, I will write background dash color, and I will change the background dash color to black. I will just minimize this. It's perfect to see. I will write black, and I will save it. We had done a mistake. This part of black should be inside the column. Now I will save this. Now the whole web background has changed to black. Now I will write some style attribute inside our h1. I will write style. Inside the style I will write color, and I will select a color name as red, or maybe light red. There is no such thing as light, and saved. Now our h1 heading has been turned into black. To red. Now I will change the p. So I will write style. Inside the style I will write color, and inside the color I will select a color name as blue, or maybe light blue. This is light blue, and saved. Now our p tag has changed his color white from blue, light blue. Now I will change the h3 heading tag. I will write style, and inside the style I will write background dash color. This is background dash color, and inside the background dash color I will select a color name, maybe as pink, and I will save it. Now you can see that the heading 3 color has completely changed to pink color. Now I will do as same to small. I will write style, and inside the style attribute I will write color, and I will change the color to red or maybe blue. I will write blue, and I will save this. This is our inline CSS. Now for our internal CSS, I will just remove all the style. Now for our inline CSS, we will create a style attribute in the top of our HTML section, which is head, and I will write style, and inside the style I will write, first of all I will save this, and I will remove the background color, which is black, from our body. Now inside the style opening and closing tag I will write, this is p tag. So I will write p, and I will write parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis I will write color, and I will change the color to yellow, or yellow green. and I will save this. Now our p tag, the first p has changed its color from white to yellow green. Now I will write head tag or maybe body tag. I will write body and I will use curly braces, and inside the curly braces I will write background dash color. I will change the background dash color to black and saved. Now I will write h1 heading tag. I will write h1 and I will write curly braces and I will write color, not column color, and I will change the color to aqua and I will save this. Now you can see that the h1 heading tag has changed to aqua. Now I will do same to my small tag. I will write small and I will use curly braces and I will write background color and I will select a color name as azure and saved. Now our h3 heading has been left, so I will use an h3 and I will use curly braces and I will write color and I will select a color name as blue violet and saved. Now this is our internal CSS. Now for our external CSS, I will first remove these style attributes. Now I will just remove this. Now for our external CSS, we will first create a style sheet. So for creating a style sheet, we will write style dot css. This is a style sheet. Now for relating our index.html to our style.css, we will use a link in attribute. I will write link. Inside our heading tag, I will write link. Now the link relationship is style sheet and we will give an href attribute. The href attribute will be style.css. I will write style.css and saved. Now our style sheet has been connected to index.html. Now first of all I will just save this. It's showing an error, so I will just close the live server and open it again. Now our has been opened. Now I will just clear the style background and save this. Now for our external CSS, we will write h1 and curly braces. External CSS is the most popular way to add CSS attributes. So inside the h1 heading and inside the parenthesis I will write color and I will change the color to aqua and save. And now I can change the body. Also I will write body curly braces and I will write background dash color. I will write background dash color and I will change the color to black and I will save this. Now you can see that the body, or we may say that the background color of our web page has been changed. Now I will write p tag curly braces and I will write color. This color name is Alice Blue and I will save this. Now I will create an h3 heading tag and I will write curly braces. Inside the curly braces I will write background dash color and I will change the color to aquamarine and I will save this. And our last is small tag and I will write small curly braces and I will write color and I will change the color to black or blue, and I will save this. This is our external CSS. That's all for now. Take care. Goodbye.